Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to add bounce to a rigid body in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So I'll just create one 2D scene. I'll keep everything simple, and first we need to add a static body so that the rigid body can bounce from it. Then I'll add a collision shape, and here I'll just add a sprite 2D as well. I mean, we don't really need the sprite 2D. And for a collision shape, here I'll just add a rectangle shape 2D, and here I'll just expand this over here, something like this. Okay, it is not expanding. It has, I think, okay, just need to expand this. Okay, then I'll just move it at the very bottom. Okay, then I'll just take one rigid body, then I'll take one collision shape as well inside it, and I'll take one sprite 2D as well. For sprite 2D I'll just drag and drop this Godot icon, and collision shape I'll just move it. Okay, I think the sprite 2D got added inside our collision shape. It should be outside, so something like this. Then for our collision shape I'll just give it a rectangle shape 2D, and I'll just make it yeah, something like this over here as well as over here. I'll command S to save. So here it is. Then here is our rigid body, and then I'll just move it over here. Okay, now if I just play this, let's see what happens. Select current scene. Here you can see it falls automatically because it is a rigid body. It follows all physics and it stops at the static body. But I want to bounce it, so the easiest way is go to your rigid body, and you will have to go to physics material, select new physics material, select then this physics material, and here you will have to set the bounce. So I'll just set it as 1. Okay, I'll play it again, and now you can see our rigid body is bouncing. So slowly it will stop bouncing. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.